Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 8 Subject English.
Good morning, students. In previous class, we studied the reason that led to the event known as the First World War of Independence. We already studied the 5 reasons. Which are they? They are the martyrs, the company conquistors, then British rule. Fourth one, influence of Ram Mohan Roy, then oppression. These are the reasons. Let us study the next reasons. All of you take your English textbook, page number 41. Glimpses of past, page number 41. Sixth reason, dissatisfaction. Dissatisfaction means not content. 1835 to 56. Education in India was in Persian and Sanskrit. In 1835, a British man named Macaulay suggested a change. We should teach the natives through the English language. I agree. English education produced clerks to whom the British gave a petty jobs under them. Incidentally, it also produced a new generation of intellectuals. We must educate our brothers and try to improve their material conditions. For that, we must convey our grievances to the British Parliament. Grievances means cause, cause for complaint. Cause for complaint. By 1856, the British had conquered the whole of India. They cared little about the needs of Indians. Our kings have become puppets and we have lost all the jobs. Puppet means a person under the control of another. A person under the control of another. And lands, they are converting our brothers. You only talk, do something to drive them out. Here, Indians were taught British and Sanskrit. In 1835, a British man named Macaulay recommended the teaching of English in India. English education produced clerks who were given a petty jobs. But it also produced a set of intellectuals. They said the Indians should learn English. They should improve their economic conditions and then convey their grievances to the British Parliament. In 1856, British had conquered the whole of India. They cared little about the welfare of Indians. Indian kings and rulers become puppets of the British. The people have lost their jobs, lands. They felt the need of drive to white men out. Seventh reason, the sparks, 1855 to 57. Taxes continued to ruin the peasants. In Bengal, the Santals who had lost their lands under new lands rulers became desperate. In 1855, they rose in rebellion and massacred European and their supporters alike. Peasants means poor smallholders. Discontent was brewing in the East Indian Company's army too. Brewing means make beer. The white soldiers get a huge pay mansion to live in servants, while we get a pittance and slow promotions. The Angries ask us to cross the sea, which is against our religion, who is the Topiwala to abolish our old age customs. We must drive out the Angros. Sepoy Mangal Pandey attacked the adjutant of our regiment and was executed. Executed means hanged. Thousands of other Sipahi revolted. They were stripped of their uniforms, humiliated, and put in irons. Few Englishmen had cared to understand Indian customs or the people mind. Our proud Brahmin soldiers Do you know that the grains on the bullet you have to bit in made from the fat of cows and pigs? What the white men had deceived as to. Soon the chapatis were sent from village to village to tell the people that their emperor would want their service. Yes, all my village men will be ready. Similarly, the laughter flowers circulated among Indian soldiers. De- Death to foreigners. The masses give all help and shelter to the patriots. Here, in the sandals were also dissatisfied because poorly paid. They were sent to other countries. Here the Sandals revolted in 1855 and killed many Europeans. Indian soldiers in British army were also dissatisfied because they were poorly paid. They were sent to other countries. Sipahi Mangal Pandey attacked the white and was hanged. Thousands of other sipahis were also put in chains. Brahmin soldiers came to know that their bullet had fat of cow and pig. The message was sent from village to village to get ready for the revolt. Eighth reason, revolt. Then there was a violent outbreak at Meerut. The Sipahi marched to Delhi. Long live our Emperor Bahadur Shah. The rebellion spread wider. Many landlords had lost their lands because of the British policies and they were sore. The white men's ruled must end. Yes, we will help you. Here we can see a rebellion spread. Many landlords also joined. Okay, to revolt against the Britishers or whites. Ninth reason, fight for freedom, 1857. Many former rulers like Begum Hassan Mahal of Lucknow were bitter. The white man has taken away my kingdom. They joined the upsurge against the foreigners. Popular leaders like Maulavi Ahmadullah of Faizabad told the people, "Rise, brothers, rise. The Angress is ruined our land." The people rose everywhere in Bareilly, Kanpur, and Allahabad. Asimullah Khan told Tatya Top, "We should have Peshwa Nana Sahib as our leader in this war of independence." The patriots pounded upon the British and fought pitched the battle all over North India. 80 years old Kunwo Singh of Bihar received a bullet in his wrist. Mother Ganga, this is my land offering to you. This is my last offering to you. Here, the Begum Hassan Mahal of Lucknow and Azimullah Khan, Peshwa Nana Sahib, Kunwo Singh of Bihar pitched the battles all over the North India. So, did the people in Bareilly, Kanpur, and Allahabad. This marked the beginning of Indians' first war of independence. In this war, 18 years old Kunbo Singh of Bihar received a bullet in his wrist. Students, this is your today homework. This is in the page of 45. Glimpses of past, page number 45. Okay, you have to read these lessons and you should find out the answers for these questions. Thank you, children.